limited time offer, get full access for lifetime, one simple payment, get a free commercial license upgrade today. Lifetime access means you will have access to QuitURL for a period of 100 years from the date of purchase. One short link, infinite possibilities. A short link is a powerful marketing tool when you use it carefully. It is not just a link but a medium between your customer and their destination. A short link allows you to collect so much data about your customers and their behaviors. Smart deep linking. Grow your audience by automatically opening mobile apps when the app is installed without any coding knowledge or SDK. Direct customers to download and install apps when not installed on the device. Many popular apps are supported and you can even add your own app links. Supercharge your productivity. URL Shortener. Transform long, complex URLs into memorable short links. Perfect for social media, marketing campaigns, and keeping your brand consistent. Bio pages. Create stunning, mobile-optimized landing pages that showcase all your important links in one place. Perfect for social media profiles. FAQ. A URL shortener creates a compact version of a long URL, often referred to as a tiny URL, making it short and easier to share. QuitURL offers an advanced link shortener that not only simplifies your links but also tracks analytics, allowing you to see how your short links perform. A branded short link uses your custom domain, such as yourbrand.link/alias, instead of a generic domain. This helps build trust and increase click-through rates, while a regular short link uses a default domain like quiturl.com/url-shortener. No, but you can start with a free plan that includes limited features to explore the platform before upgrading. We offer detailed insights including total clicks, unique visitors, device types, geolocation, browser, referrer and more. Yes. You can add unlimited team members and manage clients under one dashboard, ideal for agencies. QuitURL combines advanced features like A/B testing, bio pages, smart QR codes, retargeting pixels, and affordable pricing, all in one place. Lifetime in this context refers to a guaranteed access period of 100 years from the date of purchase. When you buy any QuitURL premium plan under a lifetime deal, you are granted uninterrupted access to the product and its features for 100 years, subject to our terms of service and acceptable use policy. This offer is not tied to the duration of your life, but instead reflects a clearly defined time-based access of 1 century. QuitURL allows you to generate customized QR codes for each short link, link in bio, or survey. You can adjust the design by adding colors, shapes, and even your logo to match your brand's identity. QR codes are scannable and often used in marketing, product packaging, and advertisements to provide easy access to online content. Yes, QuitURL offers customizable link in bio pages. You can build a microsite with important links and track clicks to gain insights on engagement from social media platforms. QuitURL provides detailed analytics for each short link, allowing you to track metrics such as total clicks, devices used, and geographic location. This helps you better understand your audience and optimize your campaigns. Yes, with QuitURL surveys, you can create interactive surveys using various question types like multiple choice or ratings. These surveys are easy to share using short links or QR codes, and you can analyze responses to improve your business strategies. Links created with QuitURL do not expire by default, and you can manage or delete them at any time from your dashboard. QuitURL isn't just a URL shortener, it's a complete link management platform. From branded short links and in-depth analytics to QR codes, link in bio pages, and surveys, you get everything you need to manage and share your links smartly. If you're not satisfied, just let us know. We'll refund your upcoming subscription immediately, no long waits or questions asked. Track and optimize. Understanding your users and customers will help you increase your conversion. Our system allows you to track everything. Whether it is the amount of clicks, the country or the referrer, the data is there for you to analyze it. Invite and work together. Invite your teammates within seconds and work together as team to manage your links, bio pages, and QR codes. Team members can be assigned specific privileges and can work on different workspaces. Ready to turn every click into action? QuitURL gives you the power to shorten, brand, analyze, and scale your links. Start building your smart links today. Start with lifetime deal for early access. Lifetime access means you will have access to QuitURL for a period of 100 years from the date of purchase. QuitURL is an all-in-one, privacy-focused link management platform designed to simplify how you share, track and optimize your links. Whether you're a marketer, agency, content creator, or business owner, QuitURL helps you shorten URLs, create QR codes, build bio pages and track performance in real time. With advanced features like geo/device/language targeting, branded domains, A/B testing and analytics, QuitURL gives you the power to boost engagement, improve conversions and take full control of your link strategy, all from one smart, secure dashboard. Disclaimer. Please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo Registered is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Incorporated, a Florida corporation located at 1809 East Broadway Street, Suite 125, Oviedo, Florida, 32765 USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion.